Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video I am going to analyze gold US dollar and I will be looking for further opportunities that we can see in the upcoming week. This week overall in terms of profit was a very fantastic week, I should say, and I'm looking forward for the upcoming week and that should be profitable too as well. So tell me everyone, how is it going at your end? Please do update me about that. Also do let me know which type of trades did you get on gold US dollar this week that ended today on 25th of August 2023. So first of all, I hope you must have made good profits. Secondly, in this video, if you can see what actually happened today was I was live streaming as well, but this is a weekly forex forecast for gold as well, and the market is not yet exactly closed. It will be closed in next 58 minutes. But anyways, let me discuss my point of view with all of you so that anyone out there who needs some sort of help, they should get help on time, because these markets are very deadly markets. And if the beginner traders and if the traders who are not consistent or traders who have problems, for them the market this week was very dangerous, I should say, even from right here. But anyways, let's focus on this chart right now. First of all, the first thing first, and that I am preaching, I should say, since almost like 2016, and that is try to make your plans. Without plans it will be very hard for anyone to make profits in the forex market, and this is a truth. It may be feeling very harsh, but this is a truth, my friends, and I want to tell you these things very clearly because I think the beginner forex traders are not well informed about their trading decisions. So first of all, what I usually do is very simply I try to find out my uh, support resistance level. So with this one, since I have discussed it so many of the times in this previous week, so for now let's just stick with this impulsive wave, because if I go into the details of it, yesterday I went to the details as well, the day after. So every day I don't like, and it start to get bore. And I know most of you may have like you will remember our yesterday's discussion. So this was even yesterday, what I said was this is a very nice impulsive wave with us on the weekly. And we have, whenever we have an impulsive wave, it will have a Fibonacci number built into it, and the Fibonacci number right here is 1788. So this is going to be a little bit lengthy story here. If you see near this support, I am currently following this cycle, because if we see this will become too much lengthy, and for the weekly forecast I think we should try to take an impulsive wave of around uh, uh, 8 to 10 weeks worth of data will be enough, just like in this case. Now if I draw Fibonacci right here, you can see 61.8% retracement was last week broken. See, it was broken and it was indicating a downward move, which I discussed that if this level is broken, let me switch to the daily. And what I said in that previous weekly forex forecast video was that if the first thing is this is broken with a very low volume, and after that what I said is that okay, even I will consider that as a breakout, that okay, this is a breakout, but I will need a confirmation right here. If I zoom the chart a little bit, you may clearly see that right here we have not got any sort of confirmation and hence the market continued back up, re-entered into the 1911 zone, I should say. So if I say that this market is further going back up, and yes, it is going back up, it is at the moment showing me that it is going back up. On the daily time frame, yesterday this candle, if we see, closed a little bit of indecision, we should say. We have already today some fundamental activities. This downward trend is well on this hand side of the market, but despite that, I became bullish since the start of this week right here on the H4. If you can see, first let me delete this Fibonacci, and right here if you can see on the H4, let me delete this one. On the daily, actually this was the image. I will be highlighting these areas, because within these areas and these limits are my trade which I have to take from the market. Now very nice market, and giving us a new fresh support of around 1887 and 1890. If you look to the left hand side of the market, we have no sort of support at this zone, and right here we had support. This level was a support on in 2022 March, the beginning of 2022. So that was just the level, and right here it became a support with us. Now let's switch to the H4 time frame, and during the week actually there I discussed a plan as well. And in the last week I said that this is going back up to right here. Even I said that since this is now a pullback, it can potentially go towards 1930. So I think half of the move it has completed today, I mean in this week, and rest of the move it will be completing in the upcoming week. But how it will be completing it, that is a different story. So this impulsive wave, if you see, very nice one. And most of the traders today, even I saw that right here in the different trading rooms and different people and different people who contact me, a lot of the traders from 1903 and 1904 are stuck on sell trades right here. And even if I recall them right now, I think I'm very sad for those people, because if someone doesn't follow a proper technique, a proper method, this has to happen, my friends. And I'm very sad for all of you, because you know, by the end of the day, money is hard earned, and if it stucks like this in the markets, I think that puts a little bit of pressure on the trader. So right here, anyone who is stuck, stay with me. I have to discuss this impulsive wave right here. And on this impulsive wave, there is a hope for those traders who are stuck right here. And obviously if you have a sell trade from right here, I think the market did this. If it starts to drop, nobody can stop it, obviously. But it exactly bounces off from a very key level of Fibonacci right here, just like I have discussed it yesterday. And if you see a very nice on the H1, if I show you this whole pattern, okay, this is like this. And if you see, this is a very nice level. If I drag and drop my Fibonacci from right here, definitely this wave is showing to the top side of the market. And with that said, if it is showing an up move to the top side of the market, how much that will be? That will be around how much pips, let's see. So right here, if it continues its up move towards 1939, that is expected in the upcoming week, then in that situation, I think these sellers either have to click on the hedge, but like hedge the account, or either close the positions, or it depends on the equity, how much for long the trader can hold the position, because overall gold is down. It has to go down to 1788 and to complete that cycle once in its lifetime it will be doing that. So for now this is the setup, but stay with me, I have to discuss it. And right here we have this sell level discussed, but since I was on personally I was looking for buy opportunities, further buy opportunities from right here. I was already in a buy trade. So this now became a very very nice zone with us, and upon the close of this zone, if market closes below this, just like that day what I said was, let me add period separators to give complete overview of what I said. Right here what I said was that this is the breakout point right here, this one, and it is a very nice one. Right here was a breakout point. Today we have got another retest right here, and the market obviously dropped. So I hope you must have took this much profits from the market, and even from right here. But on the h4, if specifically I see, I cannot decide that this was a breakout, because later it tried to recover back. So yeah, last night what I said was intraday trading, it wasn't possible today. Those traders with whom I discussed this 1903.94 trade setup yesterday, I think may hold till 1937.61, and even till 1922. Still there is around 187 pips of profit. So my friends, I think this is going to be still a threat zone with us, because this story is going to be recycled very very soon. And for that I am still hoping that we get another 61.8% retracement of this whole impulsive wave. I have counted that from here. So this setup, but if it drops till like this whole drop, if we see, this makes even more good sense to us. And in that situation, market is going to create the same pattern, same level they are following to, but one is the correction from right here, and the other is already active in the market. So if this is active in the market, I think we can leave it right here and trade this breakout trade as well in the upcoming week. Overall, remember my friends, forex trading is not very hard. These markets will always be giving you nice and good profits, and you can actually make a complete living from these markets and these charts. But my friends, again I want to tell you, you will need to understand these things. Without understanding, I think you may not be able to do it. You will just waste your time. To all, I'm talking now to all of those traders who are not consistently making profits, and they are just losing money, losing money, losing money. Remember my friends, I have certain patterns which if I give you, you will be just able to trade. Let's suppose if you comes to me, I will give you a pattern, and with that pattern what you can do is you can always trade that same pattern. And once a week, if you get it around 300-400 pips, if you get from the market, that is more than enough. And rest, don't be too greedy. Any profits the market is giving you, just take it from the market. Not a very hard thing to do. But obviously this is like those who took a sell from right here, this is a complete wrong mistake. And even there will be people who have stuck sell trades from right here 1880. So let's see in the upcoming week, maybe the news may react right here. If we get a top up there near 1923, then it can push the market further down. But that I will see on Monday in maybe in my live streams or in the daily forex forecast videos that I upload daily. Now I wish all of you a very good luck for your good future. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Make sure to leave a like. Goodbye.